Okay, so in this session, we are going to learn about do while loop. Okay, so do while loop is almost same like the while loop, no changes. Okay, but only the change is even though your condition is false, do while loop will execute at once. Okay, if we see the while loop, if this condition is false at the very first time, then it is not going to happen. It will not execute anything from this block. But in the case of do while loop, even though your condition is false, it will always execute the statement at once. Okay, like this. Syntax of do while loop is do statement increment decrement आणि याच्या खाली इथे लिहायचं while condition. This is your syntax and this is your initialization. Okay, so this is your syntax of do while loop. Now let's convert this syntax into the example. Initialization means integer I is equal to 1. Okay, do statement is console.writeLine I, this is your statement. Increment decrement means I plus plus. Condition is I is greater than no, I less than or equal to 10. This is the condition. So या ठिकाणी बघा, your condition, first condition is I is equal to 1. It will execute this one. And then if 1 is less than 10, then only it will go ahead and execute this statement again and again 10 times. But if your condition is like this, I value, initial value is 11, what will be the output? The output will be 11. So I say, okay, output is 11. Why 11? Because do while loop allows to execute the statement even though your condition is false. Okay, या ठिकाणी condition false आहे, but it will execute the iteration at least one time. That's the reason we are using do while loop. तर तुम्ही हे सेम ऑपरेशन while loop मध्ये केलं, हा do काढून टाकला आणि हा फक्त इथं while टाकला. ओके, अशा पद्धतीने if you do the same operation in the while loop, output will be nothing. काहीच आउटपुट नाही येणार बघा. No output. Why no output? Because this condition is false. If this condition is false, then this statement will not get printed. But अशी काही वेळ असेल की in that condition you want to execute your statement at least one time, even though condition is false. तुम्हाला तुमची हे जे काही स्टेटमेंट आहे ते at least one time तुम्हाला execute झालंच पाहिजे. So in that case you can go for the do while loop. That's the only change. Okay, same बघा, I ची व्हॅल्यू सेम आहे, I is equal to 11, I is equal to स्टेटमेंट पण सेम आहे, increment decrement पण सेम आहे, कंडिशन सुद्धा सेम आहे. Only placement is different. While is below, do is first above. Here while is above, there is no do. Only conditions we are checking before executing the statement in the while loop. Here we are executing the statement and then checking the condition. That's the only difference between do and while, do while and while loop. If someone asks you what is the difference between while loop and do while loop, you can tell them that we can use do while loop when you want to execute your statement at least one time, even though condition is false. Otherwise, you can go for the while loop. So this is the only change. Okay, let me stop the recording.